I'm David Otis from Citywide of Metro Atlanta. Citywide has been managing janitorial solutions for our clients since 1961. Keep watching to see how we can save you time while solving your janitorial and maintenance problems.
Are you responsible for managing the maintenance of your building?
John, I just had a meeting in the conference room and it's a mess. Did the cleaning company even show up last night?
John, I thought the windows were getting done last week.
John, Kelly is starting tomorrow and her office still has not been cleaned or painted. I need an update.
John, another one of your vendors didn't show up again.
Are you also the one who finds, screens, selects, and manages all of the vendors for your organization? Wouldn't it be great to have the equivalent of a part-time facility services manager to take care of the maintenance and vendor-related challenges and projects you have on your plate? Well, you can have that with Citywide. At Citywide, we save you time and solve your problems by managing any or all of your building maintenance services. From the floor to the ceiling, from the interior to the exterior, we've got you covered. We evaluate the situation, select the best contractor for the job, and implement and manage everything for you.
We're on it.
Our professional management approach provides regular site visits, professional project management, proactive communication, and one point of contact, all to meet the specific needs of your building while saving time and solving problems for you, because you have more important things to focus on. Citywide, 20+ building maintenance solutions, one point of contact. Visit GoCitywide.com today to learn more about Citywide and how we can help you.